Hey, good morning, everybody, or whatever time it is where you're at. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Just got some stuff, and I don't know if you guys know. But Eberlestock has a Black Friday sale going on right now, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This is the first box I got. And let's see what we got in here. Oh, I got some 3/4 inch. Put that over to the side. Or sorry, 3/4 length long johns here, which I like because when I wear long johns, I usually wear socks, long socks, darn tough socks that come up to my knees. So these go down to my knees, and looks, it's kind of nice. I got the zippers on the side. I didn't know that. So I could go ahead and just zip those off if I get too warm. Let me look at some other stuff here I got. This is the main thing I was looking for. It is my Recon pack. See, I got the harness in there for my BINOs. See that? Yeah, so it's kind of nice. Get that out of there. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I got some plans for this. I didn't realize the buckles were smaller than the normal buckles I use, but that's fine. I can still modify those. And I got the, this is in the olive drab, or military green they call it. So I got that. And then I got a little patch or pocket there for my accessory pouch. And then I got the rangefinder pouch for my rangefinder. It's going to go on the other side there. So that's in the first box here. I'm going to put that all together, and I'm going to do a video on that, so stick around for that. I got an idea on how I want to put it all together. And if you subscribe and hit that notification button, then you'll be notified when I go ahead and I put all that together and get that going. So, and this, my plan with this is that I've always, when I go hiking, I'm out running around, I carry appendix carry here. See, that actually is not very comfortable when you're out hiking with a pack on and a waist belt and all that stuff. So what I ended up getting is the waist pack here. You can see that is for concealed carry. It's the Fade Flex pack. So yeah, so anyway, seen a bunch of reviews on it, so get that all set up. Planned on, I got my Spartan blades knife here I'm going to put in there, and plan is to just kind of put it like in there like that. We'll see how that goes. It's just my idea now. And then also too, I watched a video or a review on how to get a Velcroed holster holder and the thing was like 65 bucks, and I had a bunch of this 2-inch strip Velcro. I'll go ahead and put a link down there on Amazon where you can get it. I got a bunch of this stuff. I got it in 2 inches, I got it in 1 inch, I got it in 3/4 inch, and I just got rolls of it. So, and then this, it's a Vertex Velcro sheet here I just put on there. So my plan is, I didn't want to spend the 65 bucks for the holster there. So I figured I would make this, and then that fits in there. So yeah, it fits in there pretty good, I think. So yeah. Anyway, my idea on that. And then I got another package here. Oh, this is that little admin pouch, I guess. I'll figure that all out, get that all put together for you guys. And then the next package is this. So I had some people asking me on my other, to see what I like to do is I like to have my chest rig attached to my backpack straps. So what I do is I mainly go through Haley Strategic. I am a former student of theirs, and I don't know if you know this, but if you're a former student, you get 20% off everything you buy for life. So anyway, they're not sponsoring me or anything like that, but I like to buy from them because they give me a discount, and they have some cool stuff. So anyway, I got a bunch of clips here that I'm going to use. These are the clips I use for my shoulder straps. Look at that real quick. So anyway, somebody asked me about what straps I use, and those are the ones I use. And I'm going to set this up to actually attach to my backpack straps. And then also too, I wanted to try out their new magazine holder. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I guess that's good and tight, but yeah. So anyway, I got that. I'm gonna try that out, see how that runs. Anywho, and also too, they give you an American flag and a sticker. So yeah, I got a few of those. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of go over unboxing here of my new stuff here. I'm gonna go ahead and put some stuff together for you guys. Kind of show you how this is all gonna fit together. So I can have a new rig set up for the coming season. I like to hike in the winter more than I like to hike in the summer. Less people on the trail and whatnot, but and then it's also hunting season, so this may be relative to you guys. Once I get this all set up, you can kind of take a look and see how you can set your stuff up for hunting season. So anyway, again, go ahead and like and subscribe and hit that notification button, because you'll be notified when I get this all set up and get out on the road or on the trail. So anyway, have a good one, and remember, train, train, train.